Welcome back to another video. There you go. Now they stop arguing, right? Yeah. These two over here are arguing like two little old married couples over here.
Fuck off. You're in the too, bitch.
Oh my God. Welcome back to another video. We haven't uploaded in so. Oh!
Fucking watching video.
I walked into the pool and I hit my private part. Today is the day that we gotta show you a lot of stuff that has happened. Sammy's gonna be working on his car, Dave is gonna be working on his car, and I am working on the new car that we bought, which is... David, how should we tell him? Should we just tell him just straight like that, or should we give him a bit of a explanation on why we bought this car?
We bought it because
fuck it. That's it.
we had to jump on the offer. We couldn't like it was a must. It was a must at this point. But you guys ready? So okay, just so you guys are aware, we have just so you guys are aware of the cars.
Okay,
we have,
first we start. We got
the Mama Lona right here, all right? We have the 04, you know, Track Sentra, okay? Now, we have my stock Accord. Then, we have this beaten down 02 Sentra SCR.
Sally the shit box.
Sally the shit box. Then, we have the right-hand drive BMW. And now to the list, another
BMW.
Shit box.
BMW. It's not a shit box. It actually runs.
It doesn't
It runs?
Yeah, it runs.
And then dies on you.
I haven't driven it in a while.
This died right now.
Alright, we have a 2006 BMW 530i. Now, again, we don't know a lot about BMWs, but it's very clean. It has, pretty nice. Not gonna lie, there's really nothing much to it. We just got this car just to have another daily driver. This car is gonna be another daily. Man, these things are loud. But yes, we got another BMW. It's basically gonna be the car that I'm gonna be using during the winter, so I don't have my Nissan out during the winter and it sits in the garage nice and dry and doesn't move from there. The BMW is gonna be the one that's gonna be doing all the winter driving. Now, this is a inline 6 that has the exact same motor as our E36 that we have. Interior wise, leather seats, heated seats. It has the entertainment system and everything is nice. What I like about this car, it has a really big trunk, so it's gonna be a good addition to the group. Now we are gonna be lowering it. We're just gonna put lowering springs. We're not gonna go full on coilovers or maybe airlift suspension, whichever one we decide to go with. We're going to be switching all of the interior wood trim to carbon fiber because I hate the wood. David likes the wood. Sammy likes the wood. I hate the wood.
But now that I think about it, Miguel has a point. If we take this out and we carbon it out, it's literally gonna be just blacked out. And then you have it like
so blacked out. It already has windshield tint, just like my Nissan. Sammy, well, we'll get to him in a bit. So yeah, this is our clean 530i. Not much to it, but we are gonna do a little light mods. Nothing that's going to drastically change the fact that we need it to be a daily driver. Now on today's agenda, we have a few things. One, I'm just going to be changing I'm putting the city sticker on the BMW, and that's pretty much it. David, what are you doing onto your car?
All right, so I have a tire issue.
What kind of tire issue, sir?
Look how low that is compared to that one.
Yeah.
Stop driving the suburb, guys. Anyway, I have a big ass nail right. It's right here, and it's in the first column, right here.
So what are you gonna do?
So I'm basically gonna take this off.
Or if you just turn the wheel and do it from there.
No, because it's inside here.
That's why, just turn the wheel and do it from there.
No, it's literally like in the middle right here. Like.
Let's see what he's saying. This right here.
Yeah.
That nail. Yeah. Just turn the wheel. Okay, so he's gonna be taking care of a nail.
I'll just take care of that. I'm taking the wheel off.
Alright, he's gonna take the wheel off. Sammy.
Yeah.
Sammy's on jack right now.
Sammy's first time by himself.
Oh.
Sammy's gonna be working on his little Sentra. And
Sammy said he's worried about the car rolling off. Where is it gonna roll off into?
going to all of our
All your
stuff.
shit.
But it's gonna stop right here by the compressor and this wonderful bag of, I don't know what's inside of it, but it's gonna stop right there and I.
What's a shit box? I want to fuck it up any more than it already is.
Sorry, fuck that, bro.
So yeah, so that's the agenda for today. These guys are arguing. That's the agenda for today. I'm just doing the sticker on the car. Sammy's gonna be doing the oil pan on the car, and Dave is gonna be doing the tire on his car. And we'll try to keep showing you guys snippets of everything and see how everything's going. Hopefully, Sammy can change his oil pan by himself because he's never done anything on himself. But yeah. And again, if you guys do want to see more BMW, Honda, Nissan, Sentra, motorcycle content. Well, actually, I've never showed you guys motorcycle content. But if you guys want to see all that type of content, hit the subscribe button, leave a like,
follow, subscribe, comment. It's a hot ass day. Look at me, like look, bro. I'm oily, like bro.
Same here,
Bro.
Oh, fucking mirror.
I need some sunscreen.
Yeah. So let's get to it. Update: Sammy underneath the car,
Sammy,
working hard.
said some. Let me tell you what Sammy said some of this. He's like, David, pass me the little civil thing, and I was like, why? He's like, I don't want to burn myself.
Trying to burn my fingers, bro.
Bro, this is the car life, man. It's the car life.
Alright, so Sammy is in the process of taking off the oil pan. Over there struggling, trying to take it off.
Check my little fucking buttery fingers.
Oh, dude. Oh, nothing. Oh, for over here? For over here? It doesn't. I literally went through the whole thing. I'm pretty sure it's this. It's the old one. That it went bad. But it's too close to this. So I might just need to get a new fucking tire. I might just need to get a new tire because look, I rotated the whole tire and I don't have. There's no nail. What I thought was a nail was actually just a rock that was lodged in there. So I'm just gonna put water around it. 'Cause I'm too lazy to go get jabón. Do you think detergent works? No?
Literally, the house is like a few steps away, so for him to get jabón inside the water bottle, and he's too lazy to do that.
I'm gonna put it over the right here. A ver.
It's not gonna bubble, it's water.
You wanna go get me jabón?
No, you can go get it.
Ice cream truck.
Ice cream truck. Yeah. That's an update on my end. What are you doing, Miguelito?
Oh, what I'm doing is I already put the city sticker. So I already got the city sticker on right there. And now all I gotta do is put back, because I was installing the sound system on the car. So all I gotta do is put these speakers back. I don't know, I think I need to get power from the front speakers because the amp and everything is running, but it's not kicking enough. So I think I need to get power from the front speakers instead because it has the OEM sound system. So I'm gonna need to do something a little bit better work, but yeah. So update for Sammy will come in a bit. See if he actually takes out the oil pan or not. Alright, so quick update. We already fixed David's tire. So it was the patch that they did before. So we took it out and put a thicker one and newer one. But he is gonna get a new tire.
It's too close to the rim.
Yeah, so he is gonna get a new tire. This is just a temporary fix, just so that he can make it to the shop and get a new tire. And Sammy,
Which means.
what are you doing?
What does that mean, Miguel?
Bolts for the oil fan.
Miguel, what are you doing tomorrow?
What am I doing tomorrow? What do you mean?
Do you work tomorrow?
No, I don't work tomorrow. I don't work tomorrow. It's
Take my car to the shop.
oh. I guess I'm taking David's car to the shop tomorrow. But yeah, I'm off tomorrow, so I'll probably just be editing videos for you guys on my day off. So David's gonna be putting the tire back on, or well, the wheel back onto his car. It's already dark out, as you can see, nice and dark out.
Now we're gonna help. Well, I'm gonna help out Sammy now.
I was gonna wash the Beamer. I don't know about you guys.
It's gonna rain tomorrow.
It don't matter.
It matters.
I guess we're not washing any cars today. My B15 either way is clean. She didn't come out during the rain. I got her washed and parked her, and she stayed out here. I mean, inside the garage. But I mean, she's looking good. She just needs to get her wrap ready, and then the car is ready to go. See the wheel wells right there. Boom, wheel wells are working amazing. Car is working fantastic. No issues with that car. David has no issue with his car. BMW, no issues. Sammy,
A lot of issues.
a lot of issues. He's right now, what are you doing, Sammy? You're taking care of the 10 mils?
Yeah.
And how's that going?
Well, my fingers are really fucking slippery, but it's going all right.
Nice, nice. So just make sure not to lose any of those bolts.
Yep.
And
I'm putting them this little shiggity.
yeah, cool. All right, so Sammy is in the process of almost taking out the pan. And I'm over here drinking a Modelo because your boy turned 21 August 6th. So I'm finally 21. I'm able to buy liquor and drink, but drink responsibly and don't drink and drive. That's the last thing you want to do. Oh, I said that my birthday was August 6th, and then I can buy liquor legally.
You can drink and drive. No, don't do that.
No.
You guys don't want to DUI, guys.
No, yeah, you guys do not want to DUI. You guys do not want to cause harm to others. So don't drink and drive. But yeah, so let's wait for Sammy to take the oil pan off and then start putting the new one on. So now David is helping Sam out because Sam got all 10 of the 10 millimeter screws that are holding the oil pan onto the actual bottom of the other oil pan, if that makes sense. So now they're prying it off, and they're over here with a flathead and going at it just to make sure that, you know, they're able to get it off. And then once they get it off, they'll scrape off all the silicone and everything. And then he also has this new oil pan right here, and then the new sealant right over here. Gasket maker for the oil pan. Put a little bit of dab around it, and then put it on, let it dry, and then we put the new oil, and the car is ready to go. And the oil pan is off.
This is the internals that I was talking about. These, like these screws and shit.
Yeah, that's your oil. What's it called? Filter right there. Alright, BMW is already parked in front of the house. David, we parked his car, and then Sammy finished changing his oil pan. Got a new oil pan on with the silicone and everything, so now we're just gonna let that dry and then pour the oil and then drive it out, and then we're just gonna pick up the garage and everything. So Sammy, on a scale of 1 to 10, doing your first job by yourself, how was it?
That was alright, I guess.
Cause this time we did not help Sam at all, like at all. Me and David did not.
Well, a little bit.
A little. Yeah, David helped him a little bit. I didn't help him for shit. Cause it's his car. He had to do it himself. He wanted us to do it, but he did it himself, and he did it perfectly. He got it on, tightened all the bolts down, so he's straight. Aside from that, yeah, I think that's pretty much it, right, David? That's all we were gonna do today. Now we just gotta clean the garage and then go back inside and then shower and.
Oh, I gotta go home, take care of the fucking rat I got at home.
Oh, Sam got a rat at home.
Yeah. Oh, piece of shit. I fucking take that dog.
Well, yeah. So, thanks so much for watching. If you guys want to see more BMW, Nissan Sentra, what's your car's name again?
Sally the shitbox.
Sally the Shitbox content, B15 content from my B15, Honda content, which I don't even know if we're going to do anything to the Honda.
Exhaust.
Oh, we're doing an exhaust on the Honda. We're going to make it sound like a Honda, or a real Honda. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. If you guys want to see more content, subscribe, leave a like, comment. Love talking to you guys. See you guys in the next one.